Alright guys, so for this series I'm going to take this Dillon basic loader. This is the BL550. Essentially this is the RL550C. In just a moment you'll see that. But I'm going to take this basic loader 550 and video by video I'm going to show you the contents in the box, and then we'll take it and get it set up onto the inline fabrication quick change system, and video by video we'll have the whole thing set up. So if you want to jump in on this, follow along and you can get yours set up. So I will tell you why I went this route. You know, precision rifle, long range. I have met over time a lot of reloaders who actually get pretty precise with this basic loader. There's a lot of guys that do long range shooting, loading right off of this. So for a while now I've been sitting back thinking I'd like to jump in and just see how precise we can get this Dillon. And Dillon, they really have this set up really nice. The other thing I really like about this, for a beginning reloader, this is actually a really nice setup. So it's a great place to start. So what do you say we go ahead and take everything out of the box, and on the next video we'll just progress from there, getting it all set up on the inline fabrication quick change system. So when you get your basic loader from Dillon in shipment and you get it open, you're going to see their massive handle. I love the way they attach the handle with the lock nut coming off the bottom of the toggle. Once you get that attached on there, it's going to stay on there. It's not going to come loose. So I like their handle. It's a nice big strong handle. In the top of the box you're going to get your basic loader manual for the BL550, but you're also going to see the Dillon RL550C, the tool, the loader that, oh, I don't know, if you're loading, say, as many as 2,000 to 2,500 rounds a month, the 550C, solid machine. I would highly recommend it. It wouldn't fall short, that's for sure. So here's your basic manuals on both of those. I like how Dillon sends their product. They are packed to withstand the travel. I really like it. So what I did for this series, I basically cut the top off so we didn't have to worry about the flaps. But for the viewers, I have one of these set back. It's a full box and I keep the inside, so make sure you keep yours. If you have to send this back to Dillon for whatever reason, you have a means to do that. One popular scenario for sending a loader back to Dillon is, as an example, a friend of mine, it's about 13 years ago, had the Dillon RL550. He had put, I want to say, 500,000 rounds through the machine. He sent it back to Dillon in its original box. Dillon sent it back all brand new. So keep your box. So in here, as you see, we have the machine and we have the accessory bag. So there's our accessory bag. Make sure you don't lose anything out of that. And then we have this incredible looking machine. And right there, RL550C. Okay, so there we go. We've unboxed the contents. We've got everything together. So what do you say on the next video we get to set up on the inline fabrication quick change top plate?